My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the fake survey alerts related to the site Mygoldensurvey.top. Mygoldensurvey.top is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help people participate in this sort of survey, but in reality clicking on allow is dangerous because this would hijack the browser with multiple web push notifications. Do not ever click on that allow button. Also, these pop-ups try to force people into participating in a fake survey. You shouldn't participate in these fake surveys because the real purpose of these so-called surveys is to force people into sharing their personal details. Do not share any of your personal details through such fake surveys. Don't interact with them. Simply leave this page, and I also recommend that you carefully research your system with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.